Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can detach the audio from the video in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top and search for file. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and after that click on import and then click on media. You can also do that by clicking on Ctrl plus I on your keyboard. Once you click on media, search for the video that you want to add to the timeline and then click on open. And as you can see guys, now it's added like this. So in order to add it to the timeline, grab it and then drag the video like this to the timeline. And once you do that, go down and click on the edit section. Once you're here in the edit section, as you can see guys, if I select the video or the audio, they are linked, and if I move the video to the right, they are both moving as a unit. So in order to unlink this video to the audio, you need to select them both, and after that go right here to the top and you're gonna find this little link icon. So all you need to do guys right now is click on this little link icon, and as you can see guys, they are still both selected. So click on any place outside of this two lines and then go back and select, for example, the video. And as you can see guys, now I can move only the video. So now you can delete the audio by clicking on it and then click on delete in your keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.